What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm super excited. We're out in the garage again and it's really hot. So we're gonna try to make this video as quick as we can. We aren't exactly installing things today, but I have a couple cool updates for you and we're sort of doing something. So let's start this off with this. So I have been waiting for a rear diffuser for this car and trying to find the right one. I was gonna go custom, but then I went with like kind of a universal one. But I measured everything up and it all should fit pretty well. And it comes with these fins. It's all ABS plastic and it's kind of got like a little bit of a texture to it. I'm sure you can kind of see in the light, like right here. So it's slightly textured and we need to put it together. So to start this video off, let's put the diffuser together right now. Alright guys, so here it is. It's all put together. It comes with all the hardware you would need, so that's nice. It's all screwed into the back here. I will clarify, this is an RX7 FC spoiler. So I did pick like a Mazda part, but I did ultimately kind of measure accordingly. So it's gonna fit pretty well in the back bumper there. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of test fit it, maybe tape it up a little bit, and then and show you guys what it looks like after that. So that's kind of the general idea. It's held up with a spray can right now, but it fits pretty well. It doesn't hit the muffler at all, which is nice, but I think it looks really good. It actually fits the bumper pretty well. It could be tucked in a little bit, but we'll have to figure out some sort of mounting solution. Yeah, so that's basically what it's gonna look like. And I know it's not really for everyone. And I know there's the eBay Miata diffuser that's going around. A lot of people have that. I kind of wanted to be just a little different, I guess. And I like the way that looks. It just needs to be fitted. Maybe remove the rear bumper and things like that. But I'm pretty excited for that. So that's looking good. Yeah, I wish I could put it on now, but it's simply too hot. And I'm not going to be making a video this weekend on doing that. We're actually going to a friend's wedding. So I'll have no time for that. But in other news, in tune news, the tune is finally done. I know a lot of people have been waiting for it. It is done. I've been enjoying the car, kind of getting a feel for everything, like the final feelings for it all. I am gonna make kind of a little series on the tune. Like episode 1 will be the process of it, because the process was a little bit different than other people might have had, kind of performance-wise. I got a quote for going to the dyno, so I'm going to do that. So that'll be kind of cool. I've never done a dyno run before. So things like that, drivability, features, all that stuff for the EcuTek tune. So stay tuned for that series. I'm going to make them one episode at a time. That way I don't fit this giant video full of information, but there'll be multiple parts. That way I won't miss anything, and that'll be really cool. And some of you might be wondering where my hood louvers are. So I guess I bought these hood louvers like right before they went out of stock on Goodwin Racing. And I'm kind of disappointed because nothing against Goodwin Racing. You know, I've ordered some things from them before and they're really good. I wish they would have said out of stock, and I might have looked somewhere else for these. But they sent me an email 5 days ago saying that they're about a week out from having them in stock, and I'm gonna get them shipped to me right away. So hopefully we see those next week and we'll do an install video on that. But super excited how the car's coming along. I got a couple things lined up. I know that we did the Home Depot side splitters. I might have found something that will work better, but we'll see about that. Another thing is the front splitter. Now that we're gonna have rear aero, we need to have some kind of front aero as well. At least, you know, that's what I think. So it'll be like rear sides and front aero with the hood louvers. It's gonna look really good, I think. So it may not be the look for everyone, but I think it's gonna look really good, and I'm super excited on how the car is turning out. Now that I've got like all the engine stuff and things like that done, coolant tank would be next. That expansion tank, I think everyone needs to get it, but we'll get there eventually. So with that being said, I'm gonna close this video out. That was just kind of an update video on showing you some future things, episodes that are coming up. Appreciate everyone that has subscribed. If you like that meat video, go back and watch it. It's really cool. There were a lot of really cool cars there. And if you like that kind of stuff, I'll definitely be going to more in the future. So go watch that rooftop video. It was really awesome. And stay tuned for more videos. Thank you everyone. We're so close to 700 subscribers. It's just really awesome. Stay tuned. I'm always making more videos. And anyways, I'm gonna quit rambling. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.